How to take long scrolling screenshot in laptop, Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to take a long scrolling screenshot in your laptop on your Windows 10 or 11, then first you need to open up your browser or go with a web page of which you would like to have the screenshot. Now, for example, I'll choose this one. Now you need to scroll down and you need to just load all of the pages till the end. Once you've scrolled and load, you just need to simply go with any space, right click on the space, go with inspect. Once you've selected inspect, now you need to click on this option, which is toggle device toolbar. Once you've done that, now here on the top right, you will have three dots. Go with the three dots. You will have more options. You can go with the more options. And from the more options, you will have capture full size screenshot. So click on capture full size screenshot and it might take a few seconds. And after that, you can go with your downloads and your screenshot will be ready. Your screenshot will be downloaded. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.